Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. All right guys, welcome back to this video. In 2025, getting the Chime Metal Card is a great way to enjoy premium benefits while managing your finances with ease. Here's how you can get your hands on it. Requirements to get the Chime Metal Card. 1. Open a Chime account. To get the Chime Metal Card, you first need to open a Chime spending account. You can easily do this by signing up on the Chime website or app. 2. Meet the eligibility criteria. The Chime Metal Card is available to Chime account holders who have been using the service for a minimum period. Typically, you need to have made at least 30 qualifying direct deposits into your account. 3. Order the Metal Card. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, you can request the Metal Card directly from your Chime app. Go to the Account tab, select Upgrade to Metal Card, and follow the prompts to place your order. 4. Pay the annual fee. The Chime Metal Card comes with a small annual fee. Make sure you're comfortable with the fee before placing your order. Benefits of the Chime Metal Card. Premium look and feel. The metal construction of the card offers a sleek and durable design. Cashback rewards. The card typically offers 1% cash back on qualifying purchases, which is a great way to earn while spending. No hidden fees. As with other Chime accounts, the Metal Card comes with no hidden fees or monthly maintenance charges. Final steps. Once you place the order, the Chime Metal Card should arrive within 7 to 10 business days, and you'll be ready to start using it for your purchases. That's it for this guide on how to get the Chime Metal Card in 2025. Enjoy the perks and premium benefits of your new card.